Alright, Charles. Presenting where we're going to Doha. Isn't before Bluey and Bingo said, "Who is it?" I just like to meet here, so I like this. Yeah. So no, it's a second like it. It's a qatar airways. Dad, Mom, where's Bluey and Bingo? Hey, look. Huh? Okay, that's nice. Hey, welcome to 3. Welcome to wait 77 aboard. Okay. Say, let's go on aboard. Say, use 3 any minutes. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, that's mine. Wait, what? Oh, you need to stop. Okay. Yeah, okay. Here it goes. Said, yeah. Said, not today. What the fuck? Oh my god! Fuck you! I'll slap you. Get out. Oh. Time for a minute of flight, bitch. Now time is over. I made a bit for more McDonald's anywhere I can. McDonald's place on a building. Set on a building. Right. Time is over, bro. Time is over, bitch. Yeah. Time is over. Said, what the fuck? It's my corrupted plane. Oh, that's nice. Okay, ready for takeoff. I like this takeoff, bro. Here's your next chicken nugget, please. Okay. He said everything here, boy. Yup. Wait, the rest not good enough. Okay. We're landing at Doha. Bluey Bingo. Did I see this? Wow. I like this, bro. Oh, what the fuck, bro? The hell? Wait, what? Okay, good. I like to fly, bitch. I like to fly. I like to fly, bitch. I like to fly. That's okay. I like to fly, flighty, husty boy for 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes and then we got right. Please get out the pool. Don't fuck it in a minute. Please. Right. Thank you, bitch. Grr.